Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to log out of Golf Battle game. If you want to log out or sign out of the Golf Battle game using your Android device or your iOS device, here is how you do it. First of all, launch open Golf Battle application on your device and make sure that you are inside the home page. After you're in, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up the settings menu where you need to go ahead and click on the logout button at the top right corner. Simply tap on logout and you'll be logged out of your game right away. You can always log in back again by entering one of your options provided on the screen. So that is how you can easily log out of your Golf Battle game using your Android device or your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.